Hello, it's Peter from FACEROBICS. Thanks so much for coming by today because I've got some absolute wonderful news. For me, a miracle has happened. I have finally received all my stock for my new skincare. Now, I've had this skincare line for 8 years and I have had a real journey with this skincare line. So not only do I run FACEROBICS as a business, but I also run a skincare line as a business. And I'm not sure how many of you actually know that I do have a skincare line. It's called Renew Me. And I've had it, as I say, for some 8 years. And it has truly been a tumultuous, exciting, joyous, heartbreaking experience and journey going through having this line and having this business. Now, unlike other people who own skincare companies, you know, they just sell them off the line or they sell them in a shop and all that sort of thing, I have always sold my product online. And I've always just rocked along with it, let you guys know about it, and a lot of you probably don't even know I've got a skincare line because I don't even push it, I don't even advertise it on YouTube that much. And I just thought today that, you know, because it's a new stock and I finally got it, I wanted to talk to you about it. Now, I'm going to tell you over the 8 years what's happened to me and having this business. So before I had FACEROBICS, I started a company called Renew Me. And when I turned 50, I woke up one morning and I thought, I'd like to have my own skincare label. And I thought this because I am a licensed beauty therapist and I have been for the last 22 years. Okay, and because I've always been around beauty therapy and I've always done, you know, I've had my own shop, I had my own storefront at one point, and I used to have a mobile business doing nails and all sorts of things. And YouTube has really given me a chance to even explore my my beauty therapy even much deeper. And I love doing it, and it's a wonderful thing to actually be a part of, to be able to help people. So when I woke up, when I was 50, that one morning I just woke up and I thought, that's it, I'm going to have my own label. And I just went about doing it. It was like, okay, I'm going to do it, I can do it. So I did it. I secured finance for it. I secured all sorts of other incredible things. I have a little device that goes with it. I have a mask, as you all know. But this was my baby, was the skincare line. Now, my skincare line, I wanted to be, the brief of my line is for sensitive skin. So anybody with sensitive skin can use it. It's also Australian, so it's made here in Adelaide, only maybe an hour from where I live. And it's made in a contract manufacturing company, which means I don't make it at home in my kitchen. It means it's a professional skincare line and it's absolutely beautiful. In Australia, and it would be the same all over the world, you can't get bottles made in Australia. I don't know about America or anywhere else, but certainly here in this country, there is no manufacturing at all. No car manufacturing, no clothes manufacturing, no bottle manufacturing, cosmetic, that sort of stuff. And I'm talking the actual bottles, I'm not talking about the skincare itself. So that's what's happened in this country. So I've had to go to China on 3 occasions, mind you, and one occasion I went by myself to secure a supply and steady supply for my bottles. Now, it's been a huge journey, and when I first started and woke up that morning and thought I'm going to have my own skincare line, I never ever imagined what I would have gone through to this day, coming up to now, what I've gone through to have this company, the skincare line, still being sold and manufactured. Never in my whole life would have I thought that I would have gone through what I've gone through. So up to the last 18 months, I have been working on my skincare lines because I had to restock it because I had sold out of everything. So I had to restock it. And fortunately, there's this fantastic company in Adelaide who manufacture skincare. They have their own skincare line, plus they make it for other people. And these people are incredible. They're supportive, they're kind, they're caring, they're everything that you want in a supplier to help you with your skincare line, because those are the people that make it, not me. I give them the formulation, I say this is what I want, and they're the ones that do the magic. And magic they did. So I want to talk to you about my skincare line, my new skincare line. So we have a cleanser, we have a toner, we have serum, we have a day cream, and we have a night cream. So this is the Purify cleanser. So I called it Purify because it literally purifies your skin. Now, everything in my skincare line is natural, pure and natural, okay? It's not organic, it's not certified organic, but it is pure and natural products. And I am so pleased. This cleanser is like, it's the most beautiful cleanser you can imagine. So different to other cleansers, this one is an emulsifying cleanser. So it does not foam. And when I wanted, right from the very beginning, 8 years ago, because, you know, as I know, I've dealt with many products, skincare products, I've sold many skincare products in my beauty salon, and I sort of had my own mind what I wanted. So the cleanser is a non-foaming cleanser. So what that means is that when you put it on your face, it doesn't foam up, it doesn't make bubbles, and it doesn't strip the skin of the necessary oils that needs to stay on your skin. It actually replenishes the oils, and it actually works with the already oils that are on your skin. Essential oils is what it's mainly made up of, and you will find that it will absolutely cleanse your skin like you would not imagine. Now, the one thing you have to use with it though is a washcloth. So when you use a few pumps, it's a pumping. So you can see it's a pump, and you pump it out. It's an airtight pump, so all of it's airtight inside, and there's 100 grams in there, so there's quite a good amount of cleanser in it. And you pump it out and you pump it onto the washcloth, and then you will wash your face with the washcloth. You can let it sit there for a while and let it emulsify on the skin. And what that does is it emulsifies all the dirt and grime off the skin. Because these are essential oils, the oils will work with the natural sebum on your skin, and it will help remove it and emulsify it much easier and much more healthfully for your skin. I call it skin food, okay? Skin loving ingredients is what it is. So once you use that and then you're able to wipe it off with the washcloth, you will find that there'll be hardly any grime on your skin. It's lightly scented, so it's a very gentle scent. So for people who are sensitive to fragrance, it's got a very gentle scent to it, but a very stimulating, beautiful, purifying, you know, mentally purifying scent to it. And that is the whole thing about my product line, is I want it to be an experience. Okay, so that is the cleanser. So then we have toner. So this is a revitalizing toning mist. It has a little pump, and it's a mist pump. You can use it in a number of ways. You can get a makeup pad and squeeze it onto the makeup pad and clear off the residual dirt and grime. Well, it is like crime, isn't it? So the residual dirt and grime off your face, or you can hold your hair back, you know, always have your hair back when you're cleansing, and you can spray it on your face and then wipe it off with a makeup pad. Now, I am a believer in toner, and many years ago people would not use toner because basically years ago toner got a really bad rap, and it got a bad rap because the companies that made the toner would put tons and tons and tons of alcohol in it. And of course, because alcohol is not pH balanced, you'd put it on your skin and then your skin would be dry and it would start to be flaky. So when you're using a product and you put it on your skin, after you wash it off, if it's flaky or if it gets itchy, it means it's not pH balanced. Now, this is a beautiful, beautiful balanced toner. This has a sense of floral scents to it, and again, very gentle. You will be amazed how gentle it is, and anybody who has a fragrance sensitivity, you will be amazed how gentle it is. Lang Lang, it's got orange peel, it's got all these beautiful, beautiful ingredients in it that help put those oils back into the skin while removing the residual grime off your face. Now, I'm a believer in toner because toner prepares your skin for the next application. Okay, so that's why I've included toner in my product line. It's very, very important. And as I say, there's 100 mils in it, and it's a really you know, incredibly affordable. So you can use the serum with this as well, although in this skincare set the serum is not sold with it, but of course you can use the serum, and the serum is another video. So, you know, you can go to the website, have a look at the ingredients of the serum, but certainly you can use the serum with this set. Now the next thing I've got is the day cream. Now the day cream has been changed a bit, and I've had some different ingredients put in it. Now already we had zinc in the day cream, and that helps with covering your skin to the outside elements when you go outside. Now in Australia, zinc is absolutely used all the time. We use zinc for everything when we're outside, in our outside activities, and it's a wonderfully protective ingredient, natural ingredient that you put on your skin to protect your face. Now also adding to that, red raspberry seed oil and pomegranate oil is also included in this product. Now those three ingredients are a powerhouse for when you're going outside, doing your sunny activities outside. They are a powerhouse for your skin and protection, and that is why this product, the day cream, is called Protect, because it will absolutely protect your skin from outside elements through the day and anything that you need to do. Now this is a long-lasting day cream because it's got the oils in it that last all day on your skin. You will be amazed when you use it. Now when you first start using it, your skin will just absolutely take in and absorb all the ingredients, because a lot of these ingredients are not in other products, especially the pomegranate oil and the red raspberry seed oil and the zinc together. They are skin healing, skin protecting, absolutely skin strengthening. Again, skin loving product, okay? Skin loving ingredients. And what will happen is when you first use it, it will just sink into your skin, and you might feel like you need to make another application. So go ahead and do that if you feel that you need to. But over the time, and it only takes it will take less than a week, you will find that once you start applying it every day, it won't absorb as fast into the skin. And that's because your skin is starting to heal, starting to change a bit, starting to strengthen. All of these wonderful things are happening within a week of using this product, and you will absolutely see the difference in your skin through the day when you're using it. You will absolutely feel it. And you can put it on underneath your makeup. What will happen is it smooths out your skin. You probably see that my skin is quite smooth. You just put it on, and then once it's done, you can apply your makeup as normal. Now this is the most beautiful, beautiful product, and I will highly recommend it. I don't use any other products other than my skincare line that I've had for 8 years. I use nothing else. The only other thing I would use on my skin would be natural oils for using my Younger Me mask. So then we have the night cream, okay? And this is called Nourish. And the night cream is called Nourish because it has amazing ingredients in it. So the ingredients that are among the ingredients, many ingredients that's in this product, are skin loving ingredients. And I keep saying it because that's what they are. So there's shea butter, there is rosehip, there's lavender, there's aloe vera, there's all these products, evening primrose oil. Now all of these ingredients just absolutely, the skin just drinks it. It's just like food for the skin. And when you have these ingredients at night, what happens is, because when you're sleeping your skin and your body is rejuvenating, these ingredients help rejuvenating your skin. And they truly are so luxurious. Now this is a very low scent, okay? In fact, there's just a hint of lavender oil in this. Just a hint. So anybody, again, who's got fragrance sensitivity, you would not even know that it's in there. But it's there, and it helps support your skin. Now for those of you who like a higher scent, and I love lavender at night, it helps me put to sleep, what I do is that I actually have some lavender oil, do 1 pump of this airtight container, I mix it onto my fingers, drop of lavender oil on it, mix it in, and then press it into your face. Now when you are applying this stuff, you do just press it in, okay? You press it in, and that's how you apply it. Be very gentle with it. And I would really encourage you to go ahead and try it, because you will be so pleasantly surprised with how it works on your skin and how it works with your skin. And again, the day cream is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's like the crown jewel next to my serum of the line, because it's got such beautiful ingredients that will absolutely make your skin look amazing. This product line does not have any nasty ingredients. Nothing nasty in it. And the other thing I want to let you know about all of my products is that they're insanely affordable. They're just incredibly affordable, especially for now that the dollar has dropped even further. For anybody purchasing in US dollars, it's like a quarter of the price. The Australian dollar is around 66 or 65 cents to the American. So now would be the time to purchase something like this, because it would be insanely affordable. Like, you would not get any of these ingredients for the price that you would get anywhere else. So I would really encourage you to go and have a look on the site. I do have a money changer, a currency changer on the site. Change it to your currency and have a look and see how affordable it is. Do remember to subscribe to the channel, because you get all great updates about FACEROBICS and all the things to do with FACEROBICS and all these other updates as well. Also remember to like my videos as well. I really appreciate that. Well guys, you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.